Now we're going to talk about nutrients in our freeze-dried foods, and I'm really excited about this. I'm pretty passionate about nutrition in our food, so I was super excited when I started tasting the freeze-dried fruits with Thrive Life. And so I just want to talk to you a little bit about the nutrition. And this is why we have so much nutrition in our food, is because it's picked ripe, and we allow the phytonutrients to form in the food, as opposed to grocery store food that's picked green. And so we have more nutrition. For example, our green beans, they have 52% more vitamin C than what you'll find in the grocery store. You have 40% more calcium in our blueberries than what you'll get in the grocery store blueberries. Our spinach, and this has 6 times more vitamin C and calcium than you'll get in your grocery store spinach. Spinach loses its nutrition within 3 days after being picked. Interesting thing. Now, I'm gonna ask you, how many bags of spinach will fit into our family size can? So here's a family size can of spinach that I showed you before. How many bags do you think will fit in there? Comment below and I'll answer at the end of this video. There are 11 and a half, almost 12 bags of spinach in our family size can. And basically our spinach is ready to go when you are, and it won't get wilty or moldy.